Got rocks directly off your nose.
Roger.
Come right, come right.
Tree off your left.
Tree.
I'm good. I'm good. Oh shit! No, we're not. What the fuck?
Alright.
Hold. Everyone out.
Oh my god.
Fallen Angel.
Big fallen angel.
Alright.
Ow.
Alright.
John, update. Our helicopter crashed.
Yeah, I heard the boom. Are y'all still operable?
Full security.
A firm.
Yes.
Alright, start rolling.
Yeah.
Whoa, something on the road, burn. 1 o'clock.
I'm shaking too much to see anything.
Shit.
Technical.
Tail.
Oh my
Hang
fucking
on.
We.
Well, this is fun.
Hey, we're gonna try to take out the A4. Oh, you're a terror. It's gone.
Mayday.
We're going down.
We're mayday.
No, we're not.
Yeah.
Me down. Tail control. You gotta spin above the city. Raptor, shot flare.
Oh, no way he's safe.
Brace.
Yes, you can light this up.
And
Wait, hold. Wait for it to stop rolling.
We're down.
Out.
Yeah, so y'all try this.
Don't arm me, please.
Directly to.
Alright, let's start pushing.
North.
Medical.
Oh god.
hey,
Are we
Raptor,
losing engine prop?
Raptor. Fuel leak.
Hey, firm, be advised, we're declaring Mayday. We have a fuel leak. Try to all to rotate it onto the airfield.
You hear that, Eve?
We have no fuel.
Dude.
Hey,
Hey, y'all know how to swim, right?
I'm opening up the rear door. I gotta see this.
everyone, brace.
Brace.
Roger Dodger.
Deja vu.
There's no parachutes
I have
on this
been
thing?
in this shit
Fix
before.
this.
It's been a pleasure knowing you guys.
I got you. I'll press all the buttons I have over here.
Don't do it, please.
Pop players, so be funny.
Don't hit the roller brake. You'll kill us all.
We have no fuel.
What is this thing doing?
Did we just overshoot the runway?
Oh shit.
No, we're fine.
It doesn't matter, we're crying.
Brace!
I'm alive. I survived 2 heli crashes now.
This is my 3rd today.
Oh shit.
Go ahead, 6-1.
I'm alive.
Leave 'em.